Hello, hello, hello. My name is Spice McLeroy, and welcome to my channel. For those returning, thank you, and how you doing? In this video, I will be critiquing a student who has been with me for about 5 weeks in their junior year, with not a lot of facial anatomy experience. I'm creating these videos to allow me to give them a detailed critique and also show them how to fix it. They get to take a look back at these as many times as they want to, and I think it really helps them get better faster. So make sure to follow and subscribe to my other channels linked below to see my artwork, time lapses, announcements of when I'll be streaming, and any future courses I'll be opening up for enrollment. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video helps. So let's get into it. So, can. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Everything's pretty much maintained. You just got to, and remember the temporal bone is not that far off from the lateral edge of the orbit. Okay. That's pretty good. It's a little soft in terms of the face. It looks a little feminine due to its the soft nature of all of your details or forms. Um, that that going. Get this angle, smooth it out, and infraorbital furrow, and then we can get our move brush and kind of finesse it. Ready? Nasolabial fold, going around, a little bit more separation and ledge right here. Don't forget the 3 pads, 1, 2, and 3, and the 2 down here. Pressor muscle, modialis. Excuse me. Smooth all that out. And just put the orbicularis oris around here so we don't get duck lips. Ready? And you can, again, your neck is always so far back. Gotta fix that. Forward, and then your nose here. You need that alar cartilage in here. That's what you're missing. So you can get that ledge. And something like that. You just need your 2 little commas and your septal cartilage in there. You have a whole lot more dimensionality in your nose and look a little bit more believable. And goes only around modialis. Other than that, it just falls down. Ready? Infraorbital furrow. And then we just really need to get this jaw. poked out. And your lips are just too thin. Right? Need a whole lot more, going on here. Probably down here too. That way it doesn't look so thin-lipped. That's looking pretty good. Best one so far. Just make sure that your neck isn't in the wrong spot, right? But your overall construction just needs more time and experience, and that good stuff. And also make sure your zygomatic isn't just going off into the distance. And make sure it starts coming back in. Alrighty, alrighty. It looks a little feminine. I think maybe because of the softness of this temporal side right here. Mm-hmm. Sure what it is. Hmm. Something like that. Let's see if I can give him put his chin. There we go. And then a bit more of a horseshoe. And there we go. Something, something, something like that. Okay. You just need a few more forms on your nose. Just a few adjustments here and there, nothing too major. Just something you'll figure out over time and experience. Nasal bone going. And just get rid of that. Maybe put some buccal fat in there. Ready? There we go. A little bit less feminine. Get this border in here. And something like that. Then the eyes are just a bit too flat. Need to have a bit of a tilt to it. And we could probably move these eyes forward a bit as well. Trying to knock in this modialis a bit more believably. A little bit stronger of an angle here. Let's see if that'll hopefully get rid of that feminine look we've been dealing with. Probably. Alrighty, alrighty. See if we can fix that. That's probably what it is. Just the width of the neck is a bit too thin. Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's better. Okay. Yeah, that's better. All right, so let's see. Okay. A little bit more orbital structure. Don't confuse it with the fat. Make sure you have enough space in between each of the superciliary arches. Make sure you have that glabella um, going into the nasal bone. And then just make sure your neck is wide enough for the character. You don't want it to be within the jawline when it's supposed to be a athletic masculine male, right? You want it to be coming out. Bring down the jawline here, so we have enough room, and then just more separation between the bottom lip and the chin, and a little bit more planar. See that? Okay. So that's what I would do. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. This is the end of the Junior Speed Sculpt. I will be back with probably another 6 more later on today. Probably around 17 more today. We'll see how much we can get going. But thank you for watching. Really, really appreciate it. And hopefully you'll have a wonderful day.